Hello, my name is Kevin Mitchell. I'm the Biopharm Product Manager of TEK Northeast. Welcome to this edition of Tech Talks. I'm here today with John Georgian of VNE Corporation. He is the Product Manager of VNE and has been there for over 20 years. John, thank you for joining me today.
Glad to be here, Kevin.
John, can you tell our viewers a little bit more about the MaxPure product line and what separates VNE's fittings from other hygienic fittings on the market today?
When I hear the term hygienic fittings, I classify them as standard food and beverage fittings. 3A is a common classification for these hygienic fittings. The MaxPure fittings are aimed towards the biopharmaceutical market, where a higher level of purity and bioburden control is required. We classify these as BPE fittings, and they follow the ASME-BPE standard. The ASME-BPE standards call out specific requirements for materials of construction, including controlled sulfur on weld ends, dimensions, tolerances, surface finishes, and markings.
Thank you, John. John, when it comes to BPE, what is the difference between being BPE certified or meeting BPE standards?
I like to use the terms ASME-BPE certified and BPE compliant. Any manufacturer can simply state their process components are compliant with BPE standards. These components are marked with the typical BPE reference. Some manufacturers have taken steps to have their quality systems reviewed by ASME and become an ASME-BPE certificate holder. These components, in our case, we're talking about fittings, will have the ASME-BPE certification marked on them, and it will also be displayed on the MTR. Since ASME has reviewed the component manufacturer's quality systems, end users do not have to incur the expense of on-site audits and approvals. This is an advantage of utilizing ASME certified components like the MaxPure fittings.
John, with the dynamics in the biopharm industry today, what is VNE doing to better support their customers?
Many of my colleagues and I actively participate as ASME-BPE subcommittee members to help advance the standard and make improvements within the biopharm industry. Our active participation helps us provide the best and most up-to-date BPE conforming products available. It also helps us educate customers on changes and updates to the BPE standard.
Well, John, thank you very much for joining me today. And thank you all for taking time out of your busy day to watch this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. Please keep an eye out for our next Tech Talk and check us out on our socials below. And in the meantime, make it a great day.